Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to deposit money into your Phantom wallet very easily. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So to do this, we're going to use another application called Swissborg, which is going to make this process very easy and straightforward. To sign up for Swissborg, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the first link in the description, or once you see the first link in the comment section below, click on it and it will redirect you to this page right here. Copy this code and scan this QR code. Once you download the application and sign up, deposit some money, you will get the chance to win up to 100 euros in the lottery ticket that they provide from the application. As you can see right here, I'm doing the exact same steps. And then once you verify all your details, voila, now you have access to the application. Alright, now that you have signed up and you have downloaded Swissborg, you're going to go to your portfolio section and then you're going to click on the deposit on the left section. From here, you're going to choose the credit/debit card and you're going to enter your credit number information. Once you have entered your credit card information, click on however much amount you would like to deposit, so let's say 50 euros. And then from here you can see all the details and you simply click on confirm and it will be deposited into your account. Once you have deposited your money into your account, you're going to go to the euro section that you have and you're going to click on exchange. From here you're going to select for Solana because it is the most favorable one on the Phantom wallet. Once you do that, you're going to select whatever amount, so for example 50 euros, click on next. And all you have to do is see all the details and then simply click on confirm to finalize the amount. Now from here, you're going to go to your Phantom wallet and then you're going to click on receive. Then you're going to choose whatever section you would like. So we're going to choose the Solana blockchain, then go back to Swissborg. Now all you have to do is select whatever coin you would like to exchange. So for example, Toncoin, and then you're going to click on send and then external wallet, choose however much amount you would like to exchange, click on next. Of course, there's going to be a minimum amount, so watch out for that. And then finally, you're going to go to your wallet address and then paste it and then comment to add anything with the exchange. And then you're going to click on next and it will send directly to your Phantom wallet. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.